unscheduled. If you're not sure if you're going to do a virtual audition or request self-tapes, move everyone over into that bucket, the auditions. So when you click request a self-tape, this is the form that will come up for you. He's great for the best friend. You can change that down the line. But so you're going to select for your primary role that you're auditioning for. You're going to send your actor a brief message. You want to be more...
Are you seeing multiple versions? Like, look, whenever I used to get told that I was sick and they sent me the best tape, but do you see people even asking for different flavors, or is it just what do you see?
Yeah, so I think that's very much director preference. I work with directors or casting directors.
Episode 2. Do not open. Did when I was in Amsterdam for a holiday with a few of my friends. Everything you're thinking right now?
It's been so long since I've done any clothing shopping, so I caved the other day and bought an item. Wow, so cute. Today I am matching my outfit with my girl, my bear. Every time I wear this big fluffy giant sweater, I feel like a teddy. It's so cute. This sweatshirt was actually the best thing I've ever purchased from the Rose Bowl flea market. It seems like an eon ago when we were able to go outside and roam around a flea market like that. Kind of crazy how time changes, huh? I found out I have Skeeter syndrome.
Skeeter syndrome? What's that? Should we make it look nice? I don't know how to get the aesthetic, so you do it.